Hey guys, it's Brian at Revamped Liquidation. I'm excited to show you all the improvements we've made here recently. Come on in, take a look. Hey guys, one of the first things you'll notice when you walk into BAM is our apparel section. All the name brands you've come to know from your department stores and big box retailers, we have here at BAM every day, 30 to 70% off. Costco apparel, back in stock at BAM. Huge selection of all the name brands from Costco in stock. Amazon apparel, we're bringing those in. So the apparel section is refreshed, tons of name brands in stock. Women's Tommy Hilfiger jackets, regular price $79.99, $19 at BAM. Children's apparel, men's apparel, huge selection. Columbia hats, $20 at BAM. North Face jackets, normally $250, $100 at BAM. Big selection of in-the-box footwear from all the brands you know. We've got UGG, Eddie Bauer, Adidas, Birkenstock. This footwear comes in every week. We refresh it, new stuff coming in every week. How about this BAM good deal? Steve Madden boots, regular price $69 to $79 in store, or BAM, $29.99. It's a yabba dabba BAM good deal. Okay guys, once you leave the apparel section, the first thing you walk into is our tech section. Come in and take a look at all the changes we've made to our Apple and tech section. Amazing deals in all of our tech. We have all your Apple accessories and iPhone cases in stock. We carry everything from the latest iPhone 16 all the way down to 11s and 12s. We always have some kind of flash sale going on. Right now we have the TCL soundbars, regular price $119. They're only $59.99 in stock at BAM. All your Apple adapters and accessories in stock. MacBook Pros, MacBook Airs, 13-inch, 15-inch, 16-inch, in stock all the time, always with an amazing BAM warranty, 90-day BAM warranty on all of your Apple equipment. Computer monitors, keyboards, PC notebooks, speakers, anything and everything in consumer electronics, we always have in stock here for an amazing BAM good deal. AirPods, $39.99. All your cables and connectors. Gaming systems, we have Xbox Ones, we have PS5s in stock. Microsoft Surface tablets in stock. We carry a big line of Surface accessories. Apple iMacs in stock. Again, 90-day warranty on all your Apple hardware. They all come kitted with keyboards and mice. Just amazing BAM good deals. We have Apple Watches, iPhones, iPads, iPad cases. Super BAM good deals. We love our Apple section. We've redesigned it. We've made it easier than ever to come in and find the Apple device you're looking for. Everything's in stock, fully refurbished, 90-day warranty, kitted with OEM Apple accessories on all of our devices. We're the only place in DFW that ensures you're getting top-notch quality for a BAM good deal. Speaking of BAM good deals, check out this thing. Apple MacBook Pro, super amazing BAM good deal. These are $699 to $799 retail in stores, or you can get a BAM! Only $379.99. It's a yabba dabba BAM good deal. Okay guys, now to the next section of BAM. When you leave our tech section, you're immediately going to see this giant Lego section. This is one of the improvements we've made that we're the most excited about. Huge Lego section here at BAM Liquidation. Again, everything's 30 to 70% off what you're traditionally going to find in Lego sets. Everything from custom Lego sets. You've got your pre-owned built Lego sets in the case for you guys that are just kind of a little bit lazy and don't want to build it. We've got it built for you already, ready to go. A giant selection of Lego minifigures from all the top themes, anything you can imagine from your CMF series, Star Wars, Harry Potter, Castle, any kind of theme you're looking for, we're going to have it in stock here at BAM. Everything from a $2.99 fig all the way up to a $299 fig. We've got those in stock. Lego poly bags, huge selection of Lego poly bags. 3D large-scale printed minifigures. We have these in stock here at BAM. I guarantee you we have the largest selection and the best quality 3D printed figures you're going to find anywhere. These are large-scale figs, anywhere from 6 to 10 inches. Super great gifts this holiday season. Tons more built sets. Some really unique custom items like the tricked out brick stands. If you are really proud of your sets and want to display them in the best possible way, tricked out bricks is the way to go. How about our value fig station? These are actual Lego figs, $2.99 or 4 for $10 for the value figs, polybag figs. We've got a huge pre-owned rack of all of our pre-owned sets. Any pre-owned set that's $100 or more is certified, audited, and counted. Guaranteed every piece is in stock in the box. We've got a great rack of all your Lego keychains and lights. Lego plush, huge selection of plushes, small, medium, and large plushes in stock. One of the best Build-A-Fig tables in DFW. All of our Build-A-Figs are $3.99 or 3 for $10. And it includes a torso, legs, helmet, a hat or hair, and a tool or accessory. So great deal on the Build-A-Fig table. Our bulk is absolutely the best and the cleanest in DFW. We offer color sorted bulk and regular bulk. And our bulk prices cannot be beat. We're $4.99 for a small bin, all the way up to $14.99 for our extra large bins. So amazing prices on our bulk. It's refreshed every week, so great deals on the bulk. Lego sets. I guarantee you we have the largest selection of new sealed Lego sets anywhere in DFW. Again, any theme you can think of, from your Star Wars, your Harry Potter, your creators, Marvel, any theme you can think of, we're going to have it in stock here at BAM. And again, always 30 to 70% off of retail. Best deals you're going to find anywhere in DFW. We're going to have it here at BAM. So come check out the Lego section. We're super proud of it. We love it. For you Lego enthusiasts, people just looking for Christmas gifts, come to BAM, get an amazing BAM good deal. Okay guys, BAM is bigger and better than ever. We've doubled our retail space and added a second showroom across the parking lot. Come on in, let's take a look. Follow me. We have tons of new BAM good deals over here, y'all. Housewares, furniture, electronics, TVs, toys, everything you've come to expect from BAM, but double. Come on in. Okay guys, welcome in. Let's come take a look at the new warehouse store here at BAM. We've got everything, purses, handbags, sunglasses, fragrances, all the top designer name brands, Coach, Michael Kors, boots. We've got men's and women's shoes and footwear, Sorel, Tin Hall, Ariat, all your name brands in stock all the time at BAM. We carry everything from bedding to luggage, toys, sporting goods, tools, rugs. We have an amazing deal on all of our $2 apparel or 3 for $5 apparel racks, furniture, everything you can imagine at BAM with some super amazing deals all the time. How about this? Kirkland Signature 40-pound bag of dog food, regular price $39.99, or BAM! $22.31. It's a yabba dabba BAM good deal. Ugh. Okay guys, follow me over here. Let's check out the other side of BAM. Again, we've got rugs, we've got furniture, Power Wheels. This amazing selection of Power Wheels we have for this holiday season. Just about any Barbie Jeep or Jeep you can imagine, any colorway or style, the Baja Cruisers, the Disney buses. We have all your Power Wheels this year for Christmas. Small selection of furniture we still have in stock, Christmas trees, decorations we have in stock, a huge selection of TVs coming soon. So always an amazing BAM good deal. How about this one? How about the 17 cubic foot utility dump trailer? Regular price, $3.99. BAM! $159.99. It's a yabba dabba BAM good deal.